Hi guys, what's up? GT HARSHIT here, back with a brand new video. First of all, thank you Globonic for letting me make a video for his channel, and in this video I will be showing you guys how you can make this 2D glitch intro on your Android device. You can download this intro pack from the link provided in the description below. So guys, I aim 50 likes on this video. So let's get started. I'm here in Pixelab. You can download this from Google Play Store. Now edit your text. I'm here in KineMaster. You can download this from Google Play Store. Now take an empty project.
start falling, 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 'cause you'll start falling.
So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, then gives your big thumbs up, though check out my channel and subscribe because I have similar content like Globonic. Thanks for watching. My name is HARSHIT. I will see you in next video.